What's up, guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your Shopify blog into a content machine. That's right, Shopify does have an option called blogging, and using blogging you can create unlimited blogs on your Shopify. And the best part is Google loves the Shopify based blogs, and using an amazing new technology called AIShopZilla, you can convert your Shopify store into 24/7 content machine and get unlimited sales that you really want to have. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can make over $10,000. It's like a very genuine figure using Shopify and ChatGPT. Okay, so first thing is you go to a website called AIShopZilla.com, then put your store name, which is generally your store name.myshopify.com. Then this is an access token that is generated from your Shopify store. I will show you that how to create this in a separate video. After that, click on fetch blocks and it will immediately show all the blocks that your Shopify store have. In case you don't have one, that don't worry, we're going to create it. So blocks are like, these are like the categories of blog in which you want to post a new blog. So I'm going to choose one, let's say news, like a generic blog. And then when you click on search product, it will and type something like it will immediately show all the products that your Shopify store have. So choose one of the product on which you want to create a blog using ChatGPT API. So let's go with something called Alaskan dog running shoes. And after that, you just go to and add three tags. They are like a search engine term. So I'm going to say Alaskan Alaskan dog shoes and sneakers. Then you need to choose this option. It's called, do you want to include a product image? So it will automatically get the product image. And then your open API key that you can get from your ChatGPT account. And finally, max token is the number, like how big your article should be. So let's keep it the small one, 500. And the article status, that you want it right away or you want it into the draft. So I'm going to keep it in the draft because we need to make some adjustment. So after you do that, just click on submit. All right, here we go. So as you can see, the last blog that I have in my store is called Dog Pause. Okay, and meanwhile, a script is generating new blog. It is actually going to the Chat GPT and it's getting your product name to it and now generating content on the fly. And done. New article created with Itna. Let's close it and go back to the Shopify blog area. As you can see, the last one was this one. So I'm going to refresh the page. And boom, here you go. Now we have a new blog called Alaskan dog running. It takes a few seconds and just click on it. And you can see you have a proper blog in here. You just need to uh, align it, like you just need to adjust it a little bit. And the way it works is you can see headline 1, headline 2, headline 3. So you just put some spacing in there to make it a beautiful blog like this. Headline 5. All right. And this is your product image that it automatically took from your Shopify store. And you can remove the H parameters like this. All right, here we go. That's it. If you want, you can bold, personalize, and do a lot of things here. But for now, let's just keep it like that. And this is an image. For now, we're going to save the image somewhere here. And we click on add image and take it from here. Boom. Finally, if you're happy with it, just click on save. Wait for a while, click on visible so it is visible to the people. And we are done. So let's just go and check this blog. How do we check it? Here it is. Click on view. And this is your new content, amazing new content with lot of fresh content and a blog post. So that's all done. This way you can create hundreds and thousands of blogs using AIShopZilla. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to know more, then just subscribe to the channel. And if you're watching it somewhere else, then you can go to my channel and check how we can create the access token from the Shopify store and how to use ChatGPT for more. All right, this is in this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.